wireless charging is starting really to take hold. Now, our wireless charging 1.0 is like your electric toothbrush, which is just an inductor, inductively coupled. But now with magnetic resonance and other technologies, you can go to farther distances and have more latitude on where you put your devices. So Semtech has developed a chipset, and you can see it here in their device, that actually will charge any of the various formats. And this one we have on here is air fuel, but we can put, if you align it very carefully, you can also get the Qi and PMA system on there. It'll take a second to lock in, then it'll lock in. So it does any format. Neosen is manufacturing these with the Semtech chipsets and RE GaN FETs, and they're actually going to Hewlett-Packard computers today. Now, we also took this concept and built special amplifiers for multi-mode, because we can do all the modes with one amplifier, because GaN is fast enough to switch back and forth and do them all. So you can see this demonstration has both air fuel, and we can turn it on to wireless power using Qi and PMA. We need to have a different board for that, but it'll do all of them through this one simple amplifier. Wireless power from AirFuel Alliance is the one that doesn't require very precise alignment, and it comes in different classes. Class 2 is the lowest power, Class 3, Class 4, and up from there. EPC has built not just multi-mode systems, but here's a Class 4 that is compliant. Here's a Class 2, and there's a Class 3, all of them running. All of them use very, very tiny GaN FETs running at about 6.78 megahertz. Now, if you really want to go longer distances, you've got a different mode. You can use capacitive coupling, such as used by Solus Power, and you can see a little bit longer distance. It runs at 13.56 megahertz, of course using GaN FETs, and the magnificent things that you can do with this just are endless. So if you just turn around here and you'll take a look, here's a drone that is actually flying above the system for charging it. So it's actually refueling in midair. And this kind of a system, you can imagine, will be very important for package delivery, as well as in military theaters and things like that for drones. And Solus has really been a pioneer of this longer distance wireless charging using 13.56 megahertz.